Hello everyone, I'm Lorem, and today I'm going to be showing off my procedural horn generation tool built entirely using geometry nodes in Blender. So I'm just going to be doing a short tutorial on it. I'm not really going to go into the nodes themselves, but you are more than welcome to download it. It's free, and I recommend you check it out. If you make something cool with it, let me know. Alright, so first things first, we're just going to add any new geometry, and then we can add a geometry node's modifier to it. From there, set it to horn-gen, and we get this very basic set of horns. So we've got these exposed variables over here, and we're going to go through them in order from top to bottom, which is how I recommend you go through this, because setting the horn rotation first is a bad idea. You want to save that for last, really. Although the texture you can set to be whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. All right, so first up, horn length does exactly what it sounds like. It changes the length of the horn. It's pretty sensitive, but not bad. We'll set it to 0.3, and then the horn resolution changes the resolution of the initial curve of the horn. So you can see how that changes. Next up is horn curve resolution. That changes the resolution of the curve circle that's instanced along the base curve. So you can see how that changes. So if you want really triangular horns, you can set it to be low. If you want smooth horns, you can set it to be high. Horn thickness does exactly what it sounds like. Changes the thickness of the horn. Defaults to 1. We'll set that to 2.4. That's fun. All right, horn curve. Let's say we want these to be, a little curved. Let's see, we could do forward or backwards. I'll go just like that. That could be fun. All right, so we've got these big tusk-looking things, and then I want to put a little twist in them. So let's do that, and that's fun. Oh, let's see. That, and then I think I'll reduce the curve a bit and bring them in, and that's fun. Although I would like maybe a little bit more curve. So yeah, there we go, something like that. That's a lot of fun. Although then I think I'm also gonna change the twist a bit. You can make this really high if you want. You don't need to, but you could. All right, and then that's fun. But although the rotation isn't exactly what I'd like, but since we're there, yeah, that's not bad. That's a fun little set of horns. All right, and then the length might be just a bit big. Yeah, and then I think I might want to make them a little bit thicker, and then give them a little bit more spacing between them. And then do I want tips? Let's see. We could have little tips. Actually, no tips. I think these are good. And then there's a bunch of different textures that come, or there's a bunch of different materials that come with this. You are welcome to, use any of them, modify them in any way you'd like. So they all use color ramping to achieve the different colors, and then the geometry nodes outputs the factor of the spline, which is how the wave texture aligns itself so nicely. Yeah, that's really all there is to show. I hope you download it. It's free on my Gumroad. Feel free to check it out. And if you do anything cool with it, I would love to see it. All right, thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed it.